welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Cora's Life. So today we're going to be doing another Indian inspired makeup look. This look is great if you're going to an Indian party or an Indian celebration. It's super easy to do. It's fairly neutral. I did a little bit more dramatic eye. So let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, let's get started with this makeup look. So to start, we're going to use the Ole Henderson Collagen Booster Truth Serum. This serum is great for dryness, dullness, uneven texture, and any loss of elasticity. I just place a few drops all around my face and make sure that I mix it in. After that, I moisturize my lips by using a lip balm, and then I use the Olay 7-in-1 moisturizer. This moisturizer is great because it has many different functions, including hydrating, replenishing, brightening, evening out skin tones, minimizing pores, and increases the visible smoothness of the skin. After I have finished moisturizing my face and lips, I use the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Concealer. I place a few drops under my eyes and in any areas where I have redness, and then I use the Beauty Blender and also a concealer brush to mix that all in. Next, we're going to move on to the eyes. I'm going to be using this Winky Lux Smoke and Roses palette in order to place the eyeshadow. So I'm going to start by placing that first color and then follow up with that second color after. So first I'm going to place that first color all over my eyelid and make sure I blend it in well. And then I will go in with that second color and place it on the last 1/3 of my eyelid. As you can see right here, I'm placing that second color on the middle to last 1/3 of my eyelid, and then I'm going to use a blending brush to blend that all in order to make a smooth transition. In order to complete that transition of the eyeshadow colors, I'm going to use the Natural Eyes palette by Nordstrom and use the shade Copper to place on the last 1/3 of my eye. Once I have placed that on both eyes, I'm going to just smooth that in with the blending brush. I'm also going to use the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick in the inner corner of my eye. This will just create a brightening effect to the whole eye look. Once I have placed it on the inner corners, I'm just going to blend that in to the whole eyeshadow look. Finally, to end off the look, I'm going to use the shade Brown in the Natural Eyes palette and put that in the total corner of my eye. Once I have placed that, I'm going to use a blending brush to blend all of the eyeshadow into the crease and the brow bone. Next, I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eyeliner to tightline my upper and lower lash line. Once I'm done tightlining, I'm going to use an angled brush in order to smooth that and blend that together. Then to line my eyes, I'm going to use the Tattooed Eyeliner by Saucony. I'm going to create a slightly winged eye look In order to do this, I'm gonna create lines in increments and then smooth it out at the end. Then, to fill in any missing spaces, I'm going to use that pencil liner by Urban Decay in order to fill in those spaces. Next, I'm going to use the Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte Cosmetics in order to add mascara to my eyes. I usually don't like placing fake lashes, so I really prefer this mascara in order to create that look. Then finally, I'm going to use the Amazonian Clay Foundation by Tarte Cosmetics. I'm going to place a few drops all over my face and blend that in well with the Beauty Blender. I'm also going to make sure that I extend it down to the neck. Then to set everything in place, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Powder Foundation. I want to make sure that it blends in nicely with the previous liquid foundation I placed. I'm also going to use the brown shade in the Natural Eyes palette to fill in my eyebrows. I think this creates a slightly more natural look than if you used a pencil eyeliner. Next, I'm going to use the Madison Miller highlighter in the shade Sea Shimmer to add some highlight to my cheeks. I'm also going to use the Clinique palette to add some blush in the shade Fig. Finally, I'm going to use this Rose Water Facial Toner by Trader Joe's. I'm going to complete the look by using this Bite lipstick in the shade Chai to add it to my lips. With that, this look comes to an end. I'm just going to add some accessory pieces to complete this Indian look. This jewelry set I bought from a local boutique here in Phoenix, Arizona. So it comes with the necklace, the earrings, and the tikka, which I'm going to put on. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.